Right, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now there's been massive updates that you guys don't know about, which I'm going to tell you in this video. There's two cars as well that I'm going to now be bringing on the channel that I'm going to tell you in this video. So let's roll the intro and get this video started, guys.
Came back with a click clack, click clack, and a tick, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac, tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Right, so obviously I've not been posting recently because I've been really busy, and I'm very sorry for that, first and foremost. But there have been updates in my fleet, and the biggest one is that I have sold the EPC Type R. So the Cosmic Grey EPC Type R has been sold. It was a car that I wasn't meant to sell, but somebody gave me a really good offer on it, and I just thought, you know what, it's the right time to let it go. I did put a lot of money, time and effort into that car. The guys behind it who worked on it, I really appreciate them, but I just thought it was the right time, it was the right move to let that car go, and we have done that. So now you know that I did sell the Leon in January. I've sold the EPC Type R. What have I got next? Well, I have pulled out two cars from the graveyard, and them two cars are right. So there you have it. I've got the 125D back out, and I've also got the Mark II Focus ST, which I bought, believe it or not, I think I've had that car for about 4 years now, 5 years. And yeah, I've bought both of these cars back out, both manuals. That ST there is actually for sale, and the BM is actually for sale as well, because I've got something else in the pipeline. But I do want to get rid of both of these cars. But I'm really happy that my ST is back on road after a very long time, and so is the BM. So what I'm going to do, we're going to start up the ST, because the BM is a diesel. So we'll start up the ST, and I'll give you a rev. One reason why that ST is back on the road, like I said, there have been a few videos. At the end of this video I'll link a few videos of the ST where we did do a few mods, the exhaust, lights, induction kit, ECT. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out in the ST, quick spin, and let you know what the future plans are. So let's go. Bad boy on the spin. Yeah. Sounds pretty awesome if you ask me. Yeah, man. There's a lot of traffic for Sunday. Right, I've got the windows down, so I hope you can hear the car, because people have commented on recent videos saying we can't hear the car. But I do need to invest in a proper mic, which I am going to do, and I keep the windows down so you can hear the exhaust. But the problem with that is the wind. But let's see how it goes. It feels really good, you know. After a very long time, this car has actually come back on the road, and I've actually spent a lot of money getting it back roadworthy and onto the road as well. Now, what are the plans with this car? Like I said before I reveal this car, that I do want to sell both the cars. Until it sells, I will enjoy the car. Some mods that I might do, like I said, I've done the main ones. I'm not going to map the car. I've done the exhaust, I've done the induction kit, I wanted the LED rear lights, which I've done. Any other mods that you guys know or you guys want me to do, just drop them in the comment below, and I'll see if I can get them done. Right, so okay, that was a quick spin. Like I said, I'm not going to take this out for a drive because it's a diesel. Besides the 220 brake, it's got a lot of torque. It's a very good car, and it's really good on fuel as well. So if anybody wants to buy it, drop me a message. Anybody wants to buy the Focus ST, drop me a message. I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. Like I said, I'll give you an update. Sorry it's taken so long. There's a lot going on in my life. But I'll always have time for YouTube and you guys. So thanks for showing me support. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And like I said, any details on these cars you want, drop me a message on Instagram, and I'm happy to entertain you. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.